Making pizza at home is a fun and tasty activity. Here is a recipe for homemade pizza. Ingredients: 1 pound pizza dough, 1/2 cup tomato sauce, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 2 cups shredded mozzarella cheese. Your choice of toppings, e.g. sliced mushrooms, diced onions, sliced bell peppers, pepperoni, sausage, etc. Instructions: preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 230 degrees Celsius. Roll out the pizza dough on a floured surface to your desired thickness and shape. Spread the tomato sauce evenly over the dough, leaving about 1/2 inch of space around the edges. Sprinkle the garlic powder, onion powder, oregano, salt, and black pepper over the tomato sauce. Add the shredded mozzarella cheese on top of the tomato sauce. Add your desired toppings on top of the cheese. Place the pizza on a baking sheet or pizza stone, and bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbly. Remove the pizza from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before slicing and serving. Enjoy your homemade pizza. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe for more.